Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be replacing the trackpad for the MacBook Pro 2017 model. So first off, we got a problem with the trackpad, and as you can see it doesn't work at all, and I am using a Magic trackpad so it works, and it's pretty annoying, so let's fix that. So we're going to be unboxing the replacement trackpad. Okay, so it's probably used with all these marks. Definitely going to remove that. So now that we have this little sticker removed, and start removing the actual old trackpad. So just put that there, rotate this, and start removing the screw. This is very tricky, so you should probably listen. So this is going to be very tough to open, and Apple does do this intentionally. So I'm gonna just pop this part and stick a little triangle pick, or just a pick in general. I don't have a pick with me, like one of those plastic little picks. Just gonna slide this thing in, of course not too deep. It's gonna. So once you hear that pop, that is a good sign. Of course, don't be scared that your Mac popped. I mean, of course, when I was first opening up this Mac, I did get scared. But don't worry, that's supposed to happen. Apple locks it in place, so again, be very careful. That was my bad. And when you have your Mac open like this, all you need to do is just pull just like that. Again, gently, make sure, pull too hard and you removed it. And again, batteries are right here, so you have to be extremely careful. So we have that open. That is really annoying. So I mean, if you want, you could dust off little components, but that's for a different video. I'm going to dust this off for now. There's probably a lot of dust built up into this machine, as I mean, this is a 2017 Pro, so I haven't been in this in quite some time. But I mean, I can do that later, and I can do that any other time. The first thing we want to do is, of course, remove the battery connector. So take this, push it up, pull it just like that. Easy, right? Now that we did that, just pull that there. Probably shouldn't have done that, but it's fine because we can reassemble that in a bit. Now that we have done that, this is basically the trackpad. The only thing we need to remove are these screws. We're basically going to be done. So, of course, we need to remove these two screws, and I'm pretty sure we need a T5 screwdriver for that. Yep. So I have it right here. Yep. And then we'll just zoom in there. That's one down. Another one. Good. And then we have access trackpad cable. Now that we have that, we can finally unscrew all these other tiny screws. So I'm probably just fast forward it. So I'm gonna do, it's gonna be really fast. Okay, so now that I found a Phillips bit, I can just go in and unscrew. It's kind of surprising, but open your Mac and trackpad just falls out. Wow, this hinge probably needs to be tightened. I think we can do that later, but this is basically, forgot one other thing, guys. There are these 4 aluminum plates liquids, so watch out for that. But we do have the trackpad right here, so just quickly take that, remove, put that back. So this is the trackpad cable. This is the old one, and as you can see, it does have water damage indicators. Not indicators, but you can see from liquid spills. So we got the new trackpad right here. And we can just put all 4 of these little metal brackets. So I'm just gonna clean them off with my shirt real quick. So it'll possibly be one from most easiest to a 10, maybe like a 4, just because of how hard it is to open. Well, I mean, it's not hard, but for beginners, it would be pretty hard to open up the Mac, like the back. And again, please take some time in cleaning this part. All right, so now that we have blown off the excess dust, there are 2 little, I don't know what these are called, so I guess we can just call them prongs for now, but they go here, and I actually accidentally lost them. Also, there are these little rings for the Mac. You can see them. You also need to put them, but by the way, they go right here. And I don't know where the other one is because I'm just showing you guys and I accidentally dropped them. So I'm gonna have to find them, but once I find them, I'll let you guys know. And oh, just found the other little prong. But once I find them, I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I just like reopened the entire trackpad and put back in the trackpad cable. Just don't be an idiot and do the same thing that I did. So make sure to get the trackpad cable installed. And of course, I mean, my personal preference, I wouldn't want any fingerprints in my machine. So I'm just clean that off really quickly. So now once we have all this done, we're just going to reapply the battery. Just like that, lock it in place, and we're going to be taking this little cover thingamabobber, but once you got this, we want to flip over the Mac, power it on, and boot it up for testing purposes. Get rid of this dirt and grime, and of course it's not gonna work, so hook it up to power really quick. Okay, good. So again, if you did anything wrong with when you're inserting the power back into your Mac, a way how to test it, oh, and thank God it is working, guys. Oh my God, it finally works. Holy crap, it's been forever. And well, it's good now that it actually works. I'm like really happy. But yeah, that's basically it for the video. The last thing that I'm going to do is basically put everything back together. So I'm talking about this little piece, maybe clean out the fan. But yeah, I'll let you know when that's done. All right, guys. So we are done. I just replaced everything. So it's basically it. Everything does work. So like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else you guys want. I fix phones, tablets, watches. I mean, basically everything. Anything that's fixable, or I guess repairable. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and please share my video. Bye.